Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this lovely Jaguar E-Pace R-Dynamic. Now this vehicle is currently done 21,112 miles and it's had 2 previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour Fuji White, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you have your LED headlights. They light up the road extremely well. You have your R-Dynamic badge in there on the grille, and now around to the side. The vehicle does sit very nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels, as you can see there. You do also have your Jaguar badge in there on the side vent. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror. Now let's take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle. Now here you have gorgeous part leather seats. You have a nice textured cloth in the centre of them. You do have ice fix points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And there are rear air conditioning vents, so rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning and travel comfortably as well. And now to the rear, you do have dual exhaust there. You have your E-Pace D150 badging on the tailgate. And now opening up the boot, you have a very spacious boot here with tethering points, so you can tie any loads down if you need to prevent them from moving around when driving. You can easily fit a pram in there or a set of golf clubs. You do have a handle up top allowing you to close the tailgate. Now let's take a look inside to the front of the vehicle here. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there and your front seats. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this vehicle has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments here. These allow you to quickly make adjustments to the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. They're also handy when parking, as you can put the mirrors down to check you're in the lines or next to the curb when parallel parking. You also have your electric window switches there with your child lock for the rear windows. You have automatic wipers as well as headlights, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road. On here on the steering wheel you have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and you can arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less straining your foot. You have some controls here as well that you can control the infotainment screen with, such as your volume control and skipping tracks, but it also controls the display here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You have a nice display here that displays graphics. You can access different menus here, including your driver assistance features that includes collision avoidance with your autonomous emergency braking. This can emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce collisions. You also have your lane keeping assist that can detect when you're starting to drift out of your lane and alerts you to correct this so you don't drift into other road users who may be in other lanes. As you can see, you can access things like your trip computer as well. As you can see, your miles to the gallon. You have this very large touchscreen infotainment screen here in the centre. You can access DAB, FM and AM radio, allowing you to easily find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle, and with DAB you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital. It's very easy to scroll through to find your favourite stations with the station lists. You can also connect your own source of audio. You do have your USB along with auxiliary inputs and Bluetooth, and of course with your Bluetooth you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to. You also have some extra features here you can access, such as your rear view camera along with front and rear parking sensors. These give you added confidence when parking in tighter spaces by making you more aware of your surroundings, of things you may not be able to see. You also have a valet mode there. You can also import your contacts into the vehicle as well. Now below here you have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices. Prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold, allowing everyone to travel comfortably. You can also sync it up so it's the same temperature throughout the vehicle as well. Now here next to your manual gear selector you have your different driving modes. You have a switch that you can switch through. As you can see, it's displayed here on the display in between the dials which mode you go in. You have your rain, ice and snow, eco, your normal driving mode. You also have dynamic. These change how the vehicle perform and handle depending on your driving mood. or you can switch it to the weather ones depending on the weather conditions of the road. Thanks for watching this video on the Jaguar E-Pace R-Dynamic. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.